Ready to improve your window cleaning game? Well, say hello to the all-new Ladder Helmet, designed for the metallic V-groove top section. The Ladder Helmet is made of a customized rubber compound, perfect for both interior and exterior work. It's gentle on the inside of your client's home, allowing you to safely lean your top section against softer materials like drywall and molding. And even though it's soft enough to protect interiors, it's also tough enough to take a beating outside, able to lean on and scrape against tough exteriors like brick and stone. Additionally, the super durable straps lock around the outside of your ladder helmet, so you don't have to worry about your silly looking towel, or other certain products, falling off on the job, or worse yet, getting yanked off into the dark and scary place.
Hey buddy, can you go grab me the top section real quick?
No problem, buddy. Oh, dang it did it again.
The Ladder Helmet is also usable in all types of weather, able to withstand both the freezing cold Minnesota climates and the extreme heat and UV rays of southern Texas. Oh, and by the way, did we mention that the Ladder Helmet is made here in the USA? 'Cause it's made right here in the great US of A. So say bye-bye to that bonnet and head over to ladderhelmet.com to order your very own Ladder Helmet.